Yes, y'all know I love some good thrift shopping. This one is super big. Y'all see they got a lot of festive Christmas stuff in. Okay, I've already been in here a few times, so I kind of know where stuff is. This is so cute. Not even what I was looking for. But yeah, they got some good Christmas stuff for ugly Christmas sweater and suits. This is a whole suit. That's so funny. But yeah, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the blankets. So let's go find them. Right here. And y'all see there's always a few. Yeah, I don't really like this style. It's like a schoolhouse one or something. But yeah, let me put y'all hip, okay? Thrift shopping, check out your local thrift stores or resale stores and look for the vintage style woven jacquard tapestry blankets. Thank me later. They got a few different styles, but you can maybe use for other things. Like some pants out of this would be awesome too. But that's not what we're here for right now. So yeah. And if you know, then you know. So excited. I literally need these in their Christmas themed. So perfect, right? So gonna turn these into the viral carpet pants. Stay tuned. Put these into the As you've seen in the previous clip though, your girl went thrift shopping and I looked up and found some fire, you know, vintage style, woven, what are these even called? Jacquard, I think, material blankets. And if you know, then you know. This is gonna be so dope because I'm turning them into the trendy carpet pants just in time for this season. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever it is that you are celebrating. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, basically, when you see that, you just know I've been TikToking, period. This varsity jacket also got me hot as like, whew. But check out my recent TikToks at Shar on the Sticks. I also made a TikTok on how I made this awesome custom, you feel me? I also made a TikTok on how I made this custom varsity jacket or whatever. And just tune into my TikTok anyways, because, you know, your girl be trying to hit the little ones or twos, little fews or whatever. But it's just fun. I think it's cute. I be having a fun time on TikTok, to be honest. The dances just have me in a chokehold, like, I can't lie. But on top of that, I be doing some artsy, you know, DIY behind the scenes or behind the strokes, as I like to call it, on my TikTok as well. Matter of fact, it's a whole TikTok on how I revamped this varsity jacket. Period. Got it popping. So go check that out because I really can't even show y'all all the, you know, but it's giving most definitely what it needs to give. Yeah. Okay, so it's a little warm in here. Like I said, I was just TikToking. So excuse me because I know like I'm a little sweaty or whatever. Don't worry about it. And real quick, I just wanted to show you guys some of the views and the aesthetics. Yeah, it's not upside down. But y'all see, this one is really cute. It's got like a scenic view, the wintertime houses, people in the lake, skating, you know, ice skating, all that fun stuff. And then this one is super cute too. So what I think I want to do is gonna be like mix and match and do one leg one style and one leg the other style is what I'm thinking. But in real life, I don't really know. So we gonna figure this out together, friends. Like, I don't know. But this the other one, very much festive. Very festive and holiday-like is what I was trying to say before that clip got cut short there. Let me show y'all again, though, just so you can see the vibes. And before I get started, I'm going to move y'all, crop y'all up a little bit, change the angle. Because really all I'm going to do right now is probably place them out, trace, you know, where and how I want my pants to be, on what sides, the front or the, you know, the back. And from there, I'll get to actually making them. But I'm getting ready to close up, to be honest. So if I don't get into it tonight, you know, it'll just be in the next clip, which will more than likely be a new day. So just don't be alarmed when I got a whole wardrobe change going on, okay? And when I decided that I was going to sit down and prop y'all up right here or whatever, I should have stated a disclaimer. Excuse my mannequin, okay? They're getting changed. They get changed nearly every weekend. It's the weekend right now. Look, okay? Don't do too much. But they'll be getting changed. She'll be getting a whole new, you know, wardrobe going on as well. So by the time y'all see further behind the strokes of me creating these holiday themed tapestry or carpet pants, whatever you want to call them, my mannequins and me gonna be having a new wardrobe change. And if I knew how to do like the little snaps, I'd snap and I'd be in picking up and we'd be, you know, carrying on. But I ain't there yet, so just give it some time. But yeah, that's really it. It's just a lot going on, you know, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I'm getting ready to close up and I'll get back to creating these carpet pants tomorrow. We're gonna need a new holiday vibe anyways. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I'm hoping to finish them tomorrow, wear them for a little bit on Christmas, and drop the whole mini vlog for you guys on Christmas Day. So cross our fingers, by the time you're watching this, it's actually Christmas Day, or if you're watching it after Christmas Day, then hopefully you enjoyed your holiday time with your family, your loved ones, whatever it was, you know, your boo thing, however it played out. Hope you enjoyed your holiday or are enjoying it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next clips. Yeah, y'all better come over here and get y'all one of these. A sweatsuit from the Tapestry and a print from By Art by Shar. First by spelled B-U-I. Like, get into it. We got the apparel, the artwork, the art apparel. These will be debuting on t-shirts coming very soon. But in the meantime, get your print, get your collection up with your, you know, with your favorite artists. Come over here. Just come over here. So yeah, basically I told you I was gonna be popping back on the scene in a whole new little piece of wardrobe, but that's not even what it's all about. We're about to get into these carpet pants. Whatever I don't finish right now, I'm going to do, you know, I'm gonna take these with me because I'm actually getting ready to close up. And the rows are getting, you know, a little messy, so I just want to get safely where I'm going. And I can show y'all the rest of that later. But you're going to have your jeans there that you're going to use basically as a layout. So I'm going to lay this one out and show y'all what I mean. I'm going to put this out here. And that, so we can figure out which part of the pants is going to go where. And my scissors, because I'm just going to cut accordingly. That. So this will be one side, one pants leg, and then I'm gonna do literally the same thing. I'm gonna flip it over, probably come on this edge of the blanket right here, and then I'm gonna get this outer edge. Okay, real simple. That's just the first steps. After that, back at it again. Yeah, that was good. So I'm gonna realize because this is gonna be the bottom, or no, this is. So I'll just bring this down. Just go over some. Too much. Like, if you can't do your front and your front on both legs and then your back, it's the same difference in my opinion. But some people think it makes a difference at the end when it comes down to having enough material.
But basically, I'm just going to invert and flip these over, and it should match what I need for the other side of the pants. So cut, and keep cutting all the way to outline this front side. And then what I'm left with should be enough for the back side. This one didn't make the cut. I chose this one. As y'all see, I have my front. And then this is what I meant by like the back side should match perfectly up. So when I flip this over like that, it should match and have, you know, just enough material, give or take a few little inches, because I clearly missed a few inches right here. But that's okay. I'm gonna make it and fix it like it never even happened. You feel me? And basically what I'm gonna do is put these, flip this over so I know that's the back side, like I did for that one, and put this on top so that I know that's the front. And by the time you guys see this, hopefully I arrange them like front to back. That way I know when I'm about to go run them under the sewing machine real quick, I can keep up with which one is which, you know. And then this is the opposite side right there. So let's go to the sewing machine. Y'all know the TikTok is like, y'all know the TikTok is like, to the salon, to the sewing machine. Excuse the mess, okay, but we got the sewing machine. I ain't gonna lie, it's so messy back here. It's nowhere I can really prop y'all up at, but I'm about to run these through the sewing machine. Nothing too major. You're gonna sew the front and the back together, but I will catch y'all before I end this mini vlog off. But I'm just gonna run them through here and run them through the sewing machine with the corresponding front to back for each pant side. Then I'm probably gonna hand sew the waist because that's just a little faster for me. So I'll catch y'all once I get to, you know, a little bit further and they look more like pants, okay? Okay, not too much on my inseam or nothing, you know, or the fact that this pants leg is a little bit wider than this one, but that's okay. We ain't gonna talk about it. This was my first real attempt at the carpet pants from, you know, all the way from scratch, from the blankets to this. Like, stop playing. And then I'm feeling like I'm gonna do something a little different up here in the waist. So I kind of left this part, you know, open for now. But I really don't know. We gonna have to see. And I plan on wearing this, you know, tomorrow actually. So y'all will have to check out my TikTok for more behind the strokes at Shar on the Sticks on TikTok. That's my handle. See how I piece together this out. Check it out. Okay, pause. Not too much on my pants legs. Not too much on the pants period because my inseams are a little, you know, but it's gonna give for now. Worst case, I'll hand sew a few little spots or whatever to touch up and clean it up. Really didn't know what I wanted to do with my waistline here, so I might rock it like this. I think this might actually be cute. Or I might go ahead and put an elastic band in here and make a nice little waist band, you feel me? Tuck it up, sew it up, do all that good stuff. But I really don't know. And by the time y'all see this, I've been and wore it, probably posted a couple TikToks and all that. So, okay, let's get into it. Yeah. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Shar on the Sticks. I'm going to put it right here. Yeah, get into it so you can see how I ended up styling these, what I paired them with, you know, the top, the sneakers, the shoes, the boots, whatever the case may be. Get into it. In real life, the inseams, like I said, could be better and cleaner, but I'm probably going to touch them up, hand sew them, or use my hand stitcher because that's honestly my best friend. My vintage little sewing machine can get the job done. But I'm just, you know, it be me. It's not her, it's me. But, yeah, I'm give y'all a little peek at the back. And this is what I mean by, like, clean up those inseams there. But, honestly, I kind of like the little jacket look, too. That's why I might leave my waist open like this as well. It gives it a different vibe, I feel like, overall. Like, more, I don't even know the exact word, but more of a, like, urban, untraditional type of, you know. But yeah, let me stop rambling. Just wanted to pop on here and show y'all what the almost finished product look like. Like I said, check out the links in my description so you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram and see how I ended up styling and pairing these. But this was super fun. Check out the Theabcgallery for more Tapestry, woven, jacquard style apparel coming soon. Like, right now. It's already available online on my online boutique. That is right here. So yeah, by the time you see this, you can go put in a custom order, you know, get you some carpet pants, like these right here, handmade by your favorite artist or by Shar. And you can also get a custom hoodie. We'll have some more details referring to that's coming soon. Make sure y'all follow my art page as well. Buy Art by Shar, and the first buy spelled B-U-I. That'll also be right here on the screen. Okay, periods. And I'm gonna just give y'all a sneak peek of what you can see coming soon and into the new year 2023. I cannot wait. I'm about to turn these into some carpet pants too. Or turn this on it. This blanket is fire. So stay tuned to see how that turns out. Hit that like button, subscribe, so you can see the final product on these carpet pants coming next.